Guys, today I'm on call out for the ground fridge. So it's a single door fridge. There is high temperature, client say. I checked the fridge. The screen is on. Also, compressor sign is on. So I checked like a evaporator fan. Also, evaporator fan is on. There is nothing problem with that. So need to check. There is PCB, the compressor on. I'll show you how to do it. That's the main power cable, and then this one is for the compressor outlet. For this cable, I disconnected already. This one is compressor relay. This one is 12 volt DC for the coil. So let's check with the multimeter. This should be 240 volts on outlet. Yeah, there is 3 fake voltage on it. So in this situation, we need to check also the compressor relay. It should be 12 volt DC on it. We can put it to DC.
Okay, but give me now. I put there.
Yeah.
Please, I forgot everything.
Almost 12 volt on it. That means that the PCB energizes the relay, but relay doesn't energize the compressor. The relay is gone, so we need to replace that, or we need to replace the whole of this part. That's it. Faulty PCB on the fridge.